Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to attempt to get up here and see if we can take a nice leader off of this. I'd already climbed it yesterday and relieved it of a lot of weight. This tree is completely hollowed out. It's got this big leader coming off of it, tons of weight. It's just a matter of time. I got to be real careful on this one. And the good thing is I've already relieved it up there of weight. I've got my rope set back here in a small oak because if anything happens, I can abandon ship and jump out. So I'm gonna go nice and slow and easy. I've got that top hooked up to a rope and a side pull on it with the winch. We're gonna try to get it in the yard here. It's a really super awkward tree to be doing. Look at that bad spot. All that weight. And I took off everything on the tip. Everything on the tip. Okay, then go over the truck and I'm gonna have you put a little tension on it, okay? Just a little bit. A little more. All right, that's good right there. Okay, I'm gonna make a face cut, okay?
All right, you guys, this is a really hard leaner. You do not want to put a face cut in the front of this and try to back cut it. It will just leave super fast and it might barber chair on you. So you need to take these hard leaners to the right or to the left to slow down the lean. So I'm going to make a face cut on the right here, and I can turn it pretty far. We've got a rope set in this thing so we can break it over. So I'm just going to put a nice face cut in this, and then I'll be able to put a nice big back cut and have a minimal amount of wood so we can break it over.
Pay attention, all right? I'll start my back cut. If it starts to go, just pull on it, okay? You ready?
All right, on this back cut, I just want to take my time and go nice and smooth. I want to make sure everything's nice and even, keeping both sides even here. I'll look up here and you see how far that tree is set back to the left, but we've got tension on it to keep it from pinching my saw.
Okay, I'm coming down, Nathan. If it starts to go, pop that sucker off, okay? It looks like it's lifting a little bit. It's going. You watch it, okay? All right, here goes nothing, Nathan. Let me get flipped in and get situated here, okay? She gonna go, dude. Go for it, Nathan. sirree, huh? That's right. Let's see where it's gonna put me. Yeah, I'm good. Get my butt out of here, dude. Look at this thing. Look at the crook in this thing. Crazy. Put it right in the hole.